Are you ready to transform your life with one simple habit? Running is an incredibly accessible and beneficial form of exercise that can bring amazing changes to your body and mind. Curious about what happens when you start running every day? Stick with us till the end of this video. You won't want to miss it. Let's dive in. Boost your mood. Running is a natural mood enhancer. Studies show that just a 30-minute run can significantly improve the mood of someone with depressive symptoms. You don't need to sprint. Even running at a walking pace can trigger this effect. Plus, the endorphins released during longer runs can lead to the famous runner's high, leaving you feeling on top of the world. Burn calories. Running is a powerhouse when it comes to burning calories. A 70-kilogram person burns about 20 calories per minute at a moderate pace. That's 366 calories in just 30 minutes. If you run uphill, against the wind, or increase your speed, you'll torch even more calories. Strengthen your knees. Contrary to popular belief, running is good for your knees. Research indicates that runners are less likely to experience knee pain compared to non-runners. Running helps maintain a healthy body weight and strengthens the muscles and bones in your legs. The impact of your feet hitting the ground makes your muscles, tendons, and ligaments stronger, a benefit you won't get from low-impact activities like walking or swimming. Improve heart health. Aerobic exercises like running are fantastic for your cardiovascular system. Even a short 10-minute jog each day can lower your risk of cardiovascular diseases. The key is consistency. Make running a daily habit. Enhance brain function. Struggling with memory? Lace up your running shoes. Aerobic exercises, which raise your heart rate and make you sweat, are proven to enhance brain function. Running can sharpen your mind and improve your recall. Sleep better. Regular running can improve your sleep quality. In one study, participants who ran at a moderate pace for 30 minutes, 5 times a week, reported better sleep and an improved mental state. Boost your immunity. Running regularly can strengthen your immune system, reducing your risk of various illnesses, including certain cancers. Just 30 minutes of aerobic exercise can make a significant difference. Tone your legs. Running targets the largest muscles in your body, including your hips, calves, and buttocks. Not only does it sculpt your legs, but it also engages your core and back muscles, giving you a full-body workout. Running safely every day. To avoid injuries, follow these tips. Invest in proper running shoes. Gradually increase your running distance and intensity. Cross-train with activities like swimming or cycling. Warm up before you run and stretch afterward. Consider getting a coach to help with your running technique. Treadmill versus outdoor running. Where's the best place to run? It depends. Running outdoors can be more mentally stimulating and helps you feel the movement. However, if you live in a polluted area, indoor running on a treadmill with filtered air is safer. If you have access to clean air, running in a park is ideal for oxygen intake and variety in your training. Join the conversation. Do you run? Where do you prefer? Outdoors or on a treadmill? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to check out other videos on my channel for more tips and inspiration. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more content. See you soon.